I still think you might go. Do 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 do. What does that sound like? Is it the same as do 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 do? Remember that one? Or do do do? I can't quite get it. It's a really weird interval. It's like a non-interval. No no no. I can't do that last one. Those are weird tones until you can't get through. You really can't get through. That last one that I can't do was the forever noise of this number is not in service until like 5 years ago. And then overlapping with that was da 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 dum, da 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 dum, da 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 da. I don't know. If only I had ear training. Hey, all you music people out there, help me find the intervals. That one overlapped, and that's sort of like the person is out of service, or we're not sure, the exchange is busted, and it worked for both landlines and mobile telephones. And overlapping with both of those was the Intel sound. Intel, I kind of love their branding, their look, their sound. I love their ad where everybody sang that at the end of it. And now what? Intel's just doing its thing, scrounging around looking for rare earth and strange minerals to make semiconductors so that we can keep living the life that we're living. Sometimes I feel like it's all out of service, and I don't know what the tone for that is going to be, but we'll know it when we hear it.